So now I'm looking for somebody just to chill with, while I'm saving up my heart for the realest. Vibing. I just need someone that'll roll up the switch and tell a nigga spark it up. Vibing. I just need someone that'll pull out the Henny, share this brown in my cup. Vibing. I just need somebody different, not necessarily innocent. Somebody just to chill with, somebody who the realest. Vibing.
Just need a song and take it and gon' vibe. And keep me on my toes and give me time. Cause I don't.
What's up, YouTube fam? Today is the day we are making our way to Las Vegas to pick up the Evo VIII long block for this beast right here. So
Is your birthday October, November, or December?
nice. Shout out to Christian. This car here, we originally picked it up as a shell. It was missing a whole front end. Got the engine harness and everything in there. It does hold a rebuilt title. Full interior. Everything's looking immaculate. Guys, we're excited. We are hella excited. So right now the wifey and the kids are getting ready. And then once they're ready, we're gonna start packing up the car. Guys, let's go. We're excited. It's that time. Let's go. USOSPEC.
We're on our way. Me and my Uso stuck in the mud trying to
man, I'm gonna miss Utah. Okay, guys, so we left home, and now we're en route to Las Vegas. Let's go. And like we've been saying, we are trying to pick up a long block from a connect that we met over Facebook Market. But it's super exciting because he's got about 14 DSMs. And it's kind of cool. It reminds me of myself. Let's go. We're in St. George. Not that far. But now it's getting late and we're thinking I might hit up Christian, tell him we're gonna pick up the motor tomorrow. But tonight we're gonna go look for our hotel and get situated. We still got a long drive. We out here, family.
I can't get you off my mind. Baby, hit my line. 'Cause I just wanna get a chance to make you mine. But every time I come around, you get shy. But I just want a chance to make you mine. It's been a long, long time. Ooh, you've been on my mind. And girl, I ain't got nobody but you in the end. You and me, baby, we'll be free, free. If you follow me, it's our destiny. I can't get you off my mind. Baby, hit my line. 'Cause I just wanna get a chance to make you mine. But every time I come around, you get shy. But I just want a chance to make you mine.
down there somewhere. But you can see it, son. We made it! We are here! One more minute!
A few moments later.
Guys, we're on the strip. Right in front of the Bellagio water fountain thingy. Anyways, we're gonna find our hotel, we're gonna check in, and then we'll see you guys tomorrow when we go pick up this motor. Let's go.
Day 2.
Good rising, America. We are up and ready to go and pick up this motor, y'all. This is day 2 of Las Vegas shenanigans. Got to get something to eat before we link up with Christian and finally scoop up the motor to wrap up this episode. Cheers, guys. Christian's just putting some clothes on, and then he's gonna be out here to meet me, and then we'll show you guys what goodies he's got in store. So just sit tight there, and let me back up this Suburban so we can get the Evo VIII motor in there. Let's go.
And I just like threw like 10 DSMs last week. Like 20.
Guys, we're in DSM heaven. This is a Christian's collection. So yeah, Christian has a Mirage conversion he's doing too. And he obviously has all the parts to do it. Oh, another California car. Damn. Some of us are familiar with this one. Damn. They don't need much work. And some look, they got the black interior one from the '99. You got coilovers. You got a lot of good parts. Damn, you got the black seats up in that bitch. Damn, you got the black seats? You got the black seats. Anyone need any parts? My guy here located in Nevada, in Vegas. Coilovers 1GA. Bro, we out here. Look at this. This is crazy. I like this color right here. Damn. I don't know, he collects the 428 one as well. What a waste. Oh, it's got the diff in there too. Bro, this is hella cool. Man. So as you can see, fam, we are out here. My brother Alf, you need to buy this. File, you should buy this one. Manual too. Cool little Mirage. It's got 2 Mirages. Oh, this one was hit. Damn. Got all the parts. Can build so many fucking cars out of all of these. And here we got another one. Look like a 1GA. Damn. That one's cool. GST. And then look, he's got another one over there. All right, that's enough. Let's go see the Evo VIII long block. Let's see where our boy is. Crazy. Let's see, this is where 4G63 Kingdom is going to be. How long you had this long block?
Man, I bought it because I was gonna do that Mirage. Remember that?
Yeah.
The Evo V Mirage.
Yeah.
And I never did anything with it because I sell more DSM parts
Yeah.
than Evo, so I want to do something, you know. Because everybody asks me, "What's your car? What's your car?" You know.
What's your
Where's your car? I'm like, man, out there was a Dodge and a Mustang. Like, what the fuck?
Yeah, I was wondering the same thing too. Oh yeah, you. So is this
It is a
4G63 or 4G64?
It is a 4G63.
You sold that 64?
Yeah, I sold that.
Damn.
This is a 4G63, like complete dropout of an Evo VIII.
You bought one of those crashed ones?
Yeah, it was crashed.
Damn. Oh.
So when I
GST?
have Crowders.
Oh, yep. I'll take a look at it because I think I'm gonna tear it down.
There's like it's a complete motor. Like
It looks complete.
Fast as fuck, boy. Still fast as fuck, boy. Come get some. I don't think you have any idea how fast I really am.
it is dirty, but
Yeah.
you don't see now. There's no old like.
Do you know how many miles on that car you?
The guy said the car had like 84,000 miles.
I wonder if he know that I know he's lying right now.
The guy said the car had like 84,000 miles.
Oh, you got the new Margellas? That's what's up. That's what's up. I see you. That's
Like 84,000 miles.
that's nice. Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
It's hard to believe, huh?
Yeah, he's a good guy, man. I buy more stuff from him.
Oh my God! Stop fucking lying.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, he's a DSM guy.
Always lying to me.
And I drove I drove more than you, I think, to pick up this motor.
Oh.
You lying so much.
Oh yeah, we're in Cali.
Yeah. Because the guy sent me the address.
Yeah.
I think when he posted for sale, he sent me. I was like, "What's your address, man? I want it. I'm gonna buy it right now."
You making it hard for me. Yeah.
So he sent me the address. and
Yeah,
I-
man.
I think I GPS around the wrong zip code, you know. So it's like okay, it's like 3 hours away, and then finally the day comes, hey man, I'm gonna be there to pick it up. I was like, let me double check on the address. It's like 6 hours. I'm like, fuck.
I'm probably gonna tear it down and then machine shop and all that, just to be safe. Long block, so this is perfect.
Look, this is like a complete pulled out.
Yeah, I can see that.
See, all the lines. It has a 10.5 turbo, Evo turbo.
Any play on it?
No.
Oh, that's
that.
nice. Yeah. Oh.
Why are you crying?
A tiny.
This is
perfect.
10.5. This is like the Evo 8.5. And I mean everything's there. I even had the
Cool.
I even had the.
Did you ever hear it running?
No, I didn't. No.
Oh, okay. No. Did the guy reassure you that
he said he drove it.
But he said it's drop-in ready?
Yeah.
Fuck, that's tempting.
He said he drove it. Like, I haven't done anything. Like I bought it, just put it there.
Were you just gonna drop it in?
I was just gonna drop it in.
Yeah.
I was gonna take my luck, you know.
Yeah. Fuck yeah, I might just do that too.
Look.
How's the oil look?
6.5 hours later.
Hello, we are home. All right, guys, we are back at the laboratory, and we have got Evo VI tranny. On our last video, it cut out because we ran out of space. Man, we missed out on a lot of good content. But nevertheless, we're gonna pick up the ball and keep running.
Why are you running? Why are you running?
NANI?! お前はもう死んでいる。
Got him! Got him!
Blah, blah, blah. We ended up picking up that motor we showed you guys earlier, and we're back in Utah now. This is the shell that we're planning to put the motor in. So this is the home, and oh hell no.
I've fallen and I can't get up.
I can't do all that with one hand. Oh, that's how we got a trusty assistant. Damn. So, we picked up this car about 2 months ago. It was missing a shitload of everything. There's no Brembos on it. We got the fronts ready to go on. We still looking for a rear set. The motor we picked up yesterday from Christian. Shout out to Christian. Hey, thanks Christian. We appreciate you so much, bro. Man, such a good dude. Anyways, back to the Evo VIII. This is what it looks like on the inside. Super clean, man. Hella clean. I already got people asking to buy this car. USO Evo, we out here, fam. Anyways, give you guys a tour. So now she's sitting on BBS wheels, Evo 9 wheels. She was fully stripped inside, but we managed to source a lot of good parts. History about the car: a friend of mine built it. It was making a lot of horsepower, and they didn't build the internals, and I guess it failed on him. Not too sure about the details, but he decided that parting it out was his best option. And so you could imagine there was a lot of bits and pieces here and there missing, as there still is, but nevertheless we're gonna work through it, and we're gonna get you back to get your shine. Man, but it's very motivating to come out and just look at the good version.